What's going on, guys? I'm Jason and this is Lavish Car Reviews, back with another video. Y'all know who this is. That's Sean, DP Vet.
What's up?
I'm over here with my boy Ray and his Boss 302, so he is about to get the E85 on this baby today. Y'all see it? Look how clean that thing is right there, man. He takes care of his car. See? We over here right now, about to pull the fuel pump fuse so he can run the car dry, so we can pull the fuel line out over here, which is right there, so we can get his fuel rails up so he can get the LU47s in there. So if you guys don't know, LU47s, you do need LU47s or higher to run E85. We're gonna get these fuel rails off. He's over here trying to figure out where the fuse is at, as you can see right there. And then you know, we're gonna take our time with it, then we're gonna get the tune on. We get a base tune. We're not probably gonna have E85 today. We'll probably have E85 in it Monday, because right now it's 5:59 and Lund is closed. So we won't get a revision today, but he's still gonna have a kick-ass tune with new injectors, obviously. So it'll be all ready. We'll go out and do some test hits, do some data logging, and get the car prepped. Send Lund the log for this car, and hopefully we'll get the tune back sometime Monday, and then we'll load it up, and then we'll see where we go from there. Hopefully everything should go right. And as you guys can see, pretty much he hasn't really done anything to his car yet. He's just really starting to build it right now. It's a true Boss 302, so this is not just a Boss 302 intake. There you go. There's your build number right there. Got a VIN. Boss 302, PMAS cold air. You got the cutouts, right? Cutouts, cat deletes. Excuse me, not cat deletes. Free flown exhaust. For all you EPA heads out there, free flown exhaust. The car running and pretty much run out all the fuel in the line, so we can pull this guy right here. All right, so we'll be right back. That little clip just made me feel like I don't even know how to work on cars. It just pisses me off that much. This little clip right here is a pain in the ass to put on. Let's focus on that. Literally like on the injector, but Ray's got them on there, so we good. Gucci. He's cussing too, so it's pissing him off too.
You're not cussing, you're really working on the car?
Well, if you're not cussing, you're not making progress.
Yeah. Hey,
you should have seen, bro, as many cusses, as much as I was cussing when we were putting the long tubes on that, me and Levi, dude, my hands, oh my God, look at the war wounds. Like, they're just starting to heal up. Look. Like I said, let's focus on that. Look at that, guys. Let's see if we can get that in focus. What are we doing today? Gapplebee's? I don't really want to go to Gapplebee's. I feel like tonight is gonna be one of the nights where we get them Christmas lights.
Yeah, they're starting to.
Because I've been seeing them sit out there a lot.
He's scared for the Gapplebee's.
Oh no, I get some of that. You know, I always want some of that.
Take that Boss 302 out. Well, I don't want to know. I got two little guys at the house.
That thing's gonna be nasty. What size is the blower on your car?
Right now it's a 1.9.
He said, yeah. Come on, let's go real quick. All right, guys, we're going to check out. Oh, look, we got a Cobra right there. We're going to check out Ray's stats. Oh my God. That is a Mach 1. Where did you get this from? Dude, this is probably like the only one in North Carolina. All original body too. Oh yeah, it's getting rebuilt?
Yes. Engine's at the shop right now. Actually, the engine was prepped for a build like 15 years ago. The lightning messed up the first time. We sold the new rotating assembly out of it. But I have the engine blocks actually at the shop getting re-cleaned. I got a 351 crank from a 69 car and rods at the engine shop.
Okay.
And he's ordering all new bearings, pistons, rings, so we can go ahead and throw it together.
That's gonna be a nice ride right there. Got another one, Fox body. Fox body. Oh yeah.
This car is a 306 10-to-1 compression, SVO aluminum heads, B-cam, GT40 upper lower intake, T5, 5 lug swaps, and pretty much it.
Mm-hmm.
Basic beater.
Mm-hmm. Fun though. Yeah,
Was when it ran.
a lot of people like to run these when Coyote swap them, and they then go 8s because they don't weigh nothing. Now whose is this? Dad's?
That's mine.
That's yours too? Okay.
That's mine. The Fox body's mine. Oh,
This one's supercharged, right?
no. It's an NA small block 302.
Got you. Hey, you know your lights on?
See my nitrous
You not
turn
see it,
right there?
John?
I was looking at nitrous.
I can't see it anywhere down in there, dude.
What did you drop?
When I moved when I moved the rail to put the injector clip in, the injector fell out.
And it comes out like mine. It's pretty much the same. It's right here. These guys right here. Yeah, pull them out to you. Bend them out. I don't think you need that part. It doesn't have the. Where's the cup? Yeah, I think the cup just does it mount to the cup, or does the cup
That
just
mounts
sit?
to the cup.
And then the cup sits in there.
I'll take a picture. Do we need to move the car?
No.
Okay. I mean, there's room behind me, but I want to make her. I'm just gonna park in that neighbor's house because I mean I got more driveway than I need.
I'll show you later too if you want how to set it up so it works off your key. Because right now the way it is in stock form, you're gonna have to touch it every time. We'll be back in about 30 minutes because that thing takes forever to save the stock file. It takes a long time. After that, it's 6 minutes to tune. You can hit connect. All right, now hit it.
Turn it on?
Yeah. All right, so you want click over, over. One more. Go back. That one. So it find all your signals. Feels all right. We'll know in a second here. Smells good.
Now my car's going faster.
And usually they run the tune, see where it's at now. Like you see it go 9.8, that's fine. They run it a little bit rich for safety. That's how they run their tunes. And if this goes negative, that means it's adding timing. So that means you're getting that sauce, and then that's your spark degree, and that's all you really need right now until you get the other tune.
Where it comes on with the key.
Okay, so you want to go back, go to exit gauges. I'll let you do it. Go down to diagnostics. All right, guys. So it's getting late. We got the car finished. And right now he's data logging the car, so we have to do a 3 to 5 minute idle, and then we're gonna go out on the road and do a couple revs, do a second gear pull, and then we're gonna do a watt hit with the car, and then we're gonna send that off to Lund, and hopefully he'll have his tune back Monday. So stand by, guys. As soon as we get this part done, and I'll give you guys a roll off, a couple revs, and then we'll do the watt hit, and then we'll end the video there. All right, so I appreciate you guys hanging with me. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all of you guys. And also I have a Patreon. I'll be putting the link below, so if you want to support your boy and you appreciate the content and you want to donate, I really do appreciate it. It goes a long way to help get better equipment, keep the channel growing, keep the content flowing. All right, appreciate you guys. Thanks. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm Jason, and this is Lavish, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.